Hello guys out there. Today I want to talk about something very important for everyone, especially those who are looking for a way to make extra cash or even start a new career. I am talking about skill that you can learn online and use it to earn huge money. So let's get started with the top 10 income skill that anyone can learn on internet today. Number 1, content creation. If you have a passion for writing, photography, or videography, you can create content for blogs, social media, or even YouTube and earn money through ads or sponsorship. Number 2, create graphic design. If you have an eye for design, you can create logos, banners, or even social media posts for businesses or individuals. Number 3, web development. With increase and demand for website, learning web development can be a lucrative income skill. Number 4, affiliate marketing. This is where you can promote other people's product and earn a commission on each sales you made for yourself. Number 5, social media management. Many businesses are looking for someone to manage their social media account and create engaging content. If you can do this, you can venture into it. Number 6, online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer online tutoring service to students. Number 7, visual assistant. You can assist entrepreneurs and even business owners with administrative tasks such as scheduling appointments, responding to emails, and managing their social media accounts. Number 8, copywriting. Writing persuasive copy for website, ads, email can be a profitable income skill. SEO optimization. Learning how to optimize website for search engine can help business improve their online visibility and drive more traffic to their site. Number 10, e-commerce. With the rise of online shopping, learning how to set up an e-commerce store or sell product or online can be a great income skill that you can start or you can learn today. So there are so many guys who are out there and they were looking for this top 10 skill that anyone can start on internet to earn today. Remember, learning a new skill takes time and effort, but you can start and be rewarding in investing in your future. Thanks for watching me, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to make money on internet. My name is Foga Richard Olusegun, aka Olu Richard. I am an entrepreneur, infopreneur, digital marketer, and super athlete. Try to go below this button and click on a subscribe button so that anytime dropping a valuable video like this, you can be one of those who get it first.